It is Monday, October 26th, and this is your tropical update. Zeta has strengthened. It's almost a hurricane. Currently, the storm has 70 mile per hour sustained winds. Looking at 992 on the pressure, it's down from 997 last night. And it's moving towards the northwest at 10 miles per hour. So about the speed that you would normally drive through a parking lot. So I just want to show you some factors that are going to influence the path of Zeta. So we have all this rain that's coming across here. It's going to be producing rain over the St. Louis area here over the next 4 days. It's going to start to drop south, and that line there, it's going to help steer Zeta out to sea, like off to the northeast and eventually off the east coast of the United States. You're going to see that here on the track as I pull it up. So the storm starts off down the northwestern Caribbean Sea. It makes landfall in southeast Louisiana, and then it races off to the northeast, eventually off the east coast. So let's time it out a little bit more detail here. So in about 12 hours, the storm makes landfall in the Yucatan Peninsula as a hurricane, as expected by the National Hurricane Center. Hurricane warnings up for the Yucatan and tropical storm warnings up for elsewhere on the Yucatan as well as Cuba. And 7 p.m. Wednesday is around the time that it strikes southeastern Louisiana. Now it looks like as a hurricane. There it is inland. It's Thursday morning as a 50 mile per hour tropical storm. And then it continues inland, becomes post-tropical just off the east coast of New Jersey by Friday morning. So let's take a look at the updated tropical storm force wind probabilities now. So now we have some of that orange showing up down in southeastern Louisiana, indicating 60 to 70% chance of seeing winds in excess of 39 miles per hour down there at the coast. And the further east and the further inland you go, the less that chance becomes. Let's take a look at the earliest reasonable arrival time for those tropical storm force winds. It's been pushed back a little bit since yesterday. For the Louisiana coast, we're looking at Wednesday morning would be that deadline, and farther east you're looking at Wednesday afternoon. So you could probably count on a few daylight hours on Wednesday to get things done regardless of where you are down at the coast. Let's take a look at the rainfall potential, because we do have a little bit wider of a swath of that yellow showing up on the map, indicating 4 to 6 inches of rain, and then a lot larger swath of that dark green indicating 2 to 4 inches. So the storm's going to be moving rather quickly, especially once it gets inland, but still we could see some decent rainfall out of it. And that's pretty much it for Zeta. There's nothing else going on in the Atlantic. Same thing for the Eastern and Central Pacific. Nothing going on whatsoever. And that will do it for your tropical update. Please like the video down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter and Parler. Get you a t-shirt, coffee mug, hoodie, or any of my other merchandise. Link for the online stores down in the description of this video. More content will be posted tomorrow as well as the rest of the week as Zeta approaches the northern Gulf Coast.